So today I'm gonna be showing you how to turn this right here into this. Alright, what is going on, guys? Z Guy here, bringing you a new video. Today we're gonna be going ahead and installing taillight tint on my 350Z. So let's go ahead and get right into it right now. And here are all the items you will need today. It is a little knife. I got this one at Harbor Freight, 25 cents. Some scissors, or now you can use the knife. This came in the kit itself. This little yellow thing, just to get the air bubbles out. I also have a bigger one, Bondo one. Some tape around your headlights, and then the heat. Just go ahead and open the whole thing. Alright, and then this was my first time doing one of these, wrapping a tail light. I went with the light smoke just because I didn't want it to be too dark. That way no one can see my tail lights at all. Just wanted to give the car a different look. Recommend is using your heat gun a lot when you're able to, because the heat gun's able to stretch it out and, you know, make it a lot easier to work with. And now for our last step, we'll just go ahead and cut it. See how it looks right after. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Just want to give you a quick little update. Honestly, I think it looks 10 times better, gives the car a different look. Like I said, the reason why I didn't go with completely dark black is because I want people to actually see the rear tail lights, and I just want to give it a different look. So my best recommendation, if you're going to do this yourself, is to use the heat gun and then start from the big side and then go to the little side down. Alright, that's it. See you later. Peace.